Hey guys, welcome to Shadi Cook. Today we are making veg aloo tikki burger. It's very easy with that crispy patty and vegetables. It's really tasty. So let's start. So we're going to start by preparing the patties. For that we have here 4 large potatoes boiled and mashed. To that we are going to add green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, and mix it all together. Now we're going to add a binding agent. We are adding half cup of breadcrumbs and mix it well. Our aloo tikki patty mixture is ready. So we're going to take a ball size amount of the mixture and we're going to roll it. And now we're going to press it. And now you're going to just flatten it on the surface so we have a nice big size patty. So we're going to start by heating the pan. Add some oil and then we're going to place our patties. Now we are spreading some oil on the top. And now we're going to let it cook from the bottom. Now let's flip it over. And let it cook from the other side. So it is nicely cooked from both the sides. So let's remove it. Okay, so next we're going to take our burger buns and we're going to spread butter on both the buns. And now let's place it on the pan. And let it cook a little bit and get nice brown color. Till then let's spread the butter on the other side. Now flip it over. You can see it has got a light brown color. It's done. Let's remove it. Now let's start placing the burger. We're going to start by spreading some red chili sauce. This is a sweet chili sauce. You can also use tomato ketchup. Next we're going to place some chopped cabbage. Next patty. Next we're going to keep a cheese slice. Next we're going to place some nice juicy red tomatoes. Then some onion slices. Oops, that piece fall down. But anyways, we're going to place our onion slice. Lastly, we're going to sprinkle some salt and pepper. And then other side on the top. And there your burger is ready. So there you go, our veg aloo tikki burger is ready. You can see it was so easy and quickie to make. It has got all those beautiful layers. So do try it and let us know how does it comes out. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.